So hello guys, I hope you are absolutely fine, and now we'll cover the developer edition module 2, that is basically the project. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe it and like the video. Now click on it. Now here I have already made a complete tutorial, but most of you guys were asking for step by step. So first of all, open this module. So basically we'll cover 3 videos in this module. Now first of all, we have to create a playground where we will be running all the tasks and modules. So just click on it and create playground. Now you will be getting one email to reset your password for the playground. Make sure you have selected the personal email, and here you have to reset the password. And for password, I want to say that make sure to write it down, or make sure you are able to remember that password, because if you miss that, you have to wait for 24 hours and then you'll be able to reset the password. Now ignore this, it is maintenance time. Click on got it. Now once you have clicked on got it, here a page will open where we have to paste the username and password. Basically set the password. So it should be 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number. So just enter it as per your choice. And for a complete playlist, complete module, you can check the playlist in the description. I've shared the link in the description of this video. And if you face any issue in any part of the module, you can comment down below. Now select any of the security questions. Now just click on change. So once you have clicked on change, now a page will open. But this page, we don't need this page. We have to connect the playground from this module page only. Make sure you haven't closed it. Now the most important thing is the username. How will you find the username? So the username is already present on the lab itself. So what you can do one thing. First of all, go back. And from here you can see the username. Copy it carefully. Copy it like this and then click on connect playground. This is the step-by-step method. Here paste the username and just enter the password which you have just now saved. And make sure you have written it, because if you make any mistake, you won't be able to complete this module. Now click on login. Unlike the Cloud Skills Boost, here we have to just run all module, and one playground works for entire module. So you have to just click on allow. I think you don't understand. Unlike Qwiklabs where we get fresh credentials, here only one credential is valid for per module. That means if you have done this, then you won't be able to complete the other remaining modules if you have made any error. Now we'll get the points, that is 100 out of 100. Then we will cover the next module in the next part of this video. And if you want to complete it, I have shared the complete video link also in the description. You can check it out. And we have done this part. Now if you like the video, like it and subscribe the channel. Now remaining module will be live soon. Thank you guys. Have a great day.